Hi students, good morning everyone. Let's start our class. Okay, students, see here. Second question is given. So the difference between the two numbers is 8. If 2 is added to the bigger number, the result will be 3 times of the smaller number. So see here children, there are two numbers. The difference of the two numbers is 8. Okay, when one number is separated from another number, he get answer 8. Okay, if he separated and get answer as 8, one number is larger than another. If the same numbers, if he take same numbers and do subtraction, he get answer 0. But here answer is 8, means one number is larger than another. One number is larger than another number. So if 2 is added to the larger number, then the result, the sum is equal to the 3 times of the smaller number. Okay, so see here I am explaining. So here x minus y, x is one number, y is another number. X minus y equal to how much? The difference is 8. If 2 is added to the largest number, if 2 is added to the largest number, then the result will be 3 times of the smallest number, means 3 times of smallest number, 3 into y. Okay, so here he is asking for find the numbers, so we have to find the both numbers. Okay, so see here. So first of all I am writing what is given in the question. Solution given, difference is given, the difference between the two numbers. What is the difference between the two numbers? 8. So we don't know the numbers, that's why I am taking the numbers as let the numbers be. Okay, here mention bigger number and smaller number, that's why I am taking that the bigger number. B x and also the smaller number b y. Okay, so I took the two numbers as x and y. The bigger number is x and the smaller number is y. So what is the difference between these two numbers? X minus y equal to 8. Say this is an equation 1. Okay, then equation 1 అనుకోండి. Next, what is given? If 2 is added to the bigger number, the result will be 3 times of smaller number. So if 2 is added to the bigger number, what is the result? What is the answer if 2 is added to this number? 3 times of the smaller number, means 3 into y. Say this is equation 2. Okay, from this equation x equal to 3y minus 2. X equal to 3y minus 2. I am sending, I want only x value, that's why I am sending plus 2 to right side of the equal to. Then it becomes 3y minus 2. So substitute x equal to 3y minus 2 in equation 1. దీన్ని ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తున్నానంటే x ఈక్వల్ టు 3y మైనస్ 2 అనే వాల్యూని ఈక్వేషన్ 1 లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తున్నాను. అంటే x ప్లేస్ లో ఎంత ఉండాలి మనకి? 3y మైనస్ 2 ఉండాలి. సో x ప్లేస్ లో 3y మైనస్ 2 పెడితే, x ప్లేస్ లో 3y మైనస్ 2 పెడితే మైనస్ y ఈక్వల్ టు 8. 3y మైనస్ y 2y మైనస్ 2 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 8. ఓకే, అండ్ హియర్ 2y ఈక్వల్ టు 8 plus 2 and 2y equal to, I am sending this minus 2 to right side, that's why it becomes plus 2. 8 plus 2 equal to 10. Okay, 2y equal to 10. Then y is equal to 10 by 2, that equal to y equal to 5. Y equal to 5. Okay, so what is the value of y here? 5, means smaller number is 5. So if you want to the bigger number, substitute y equal to in any of these two equations. మీకు x వాల్యూ కావాలంటే ఇక్కడ ఉన్న ఈక్వేషన్స్ లో ఏ ఈక్వేషన్ లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసుకున్నా పర్వాలేదు, ఓకేనా. సో నేను ఇక్కడ ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తున్నాను. x ఈక్వల్ టు 3 into 5 minus 2, 3 5s are 15, 15 minus 2 equal to 13, x equal to 13. So these are the two numbers. First number ఏంటమ్మా 13, second number 5. 13 minus 5 చేస్తే ఆన్సర్ ఎంత వస్తుంది మనకి 8. If plus 2 is added, if 2 is added, 13 plus 2 how much? 15. 15 is equal to 3 times of this number, means 3 5s are 15. Okay. So this is the solution for this problem. In this problem simply we don't need these two numbers. మనకి స్మాలర్ నెంబర్ ఏంటో తెలియదు, బిగ్గర్ నెంబర్ ఏంటో తెలియదు. అందుకే నేను స్మాలర్ నెంబర్ నేమో y అని తీసుకున్నాను, బిగ్గర్ నెంబర్ ని x అని తీసుకున్నాను. సో ఇలా తీసుకున్న తర్వాత నేను క్వశ్చన్ లో చెప్పినట్టుగా డిఫరెన్స్ ఫైండ్ చేశాను. అలాగే ప్లస్ 2 యాడ్ చేస్తే 3y వస్తుంది అన్నాడు కాబట్టి ఇది కూడా ఫైండ్ చేశాను. ఇక్కడ నుంచి నేను x వాల్యూ తీసుకోండి, ఆ వాల్యూని వేరే ఈక్వేషన్ లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసుకున్నాను. సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసుకుంటే నాకు ఒక నెంబర్ వచ్చింది. ఈ నెంబర్ తీసుకుంటే సెకండ్ నెంబర్ ఫైండ్ చేశాను నేను. ఓకే. Okay children, see the next question. What are those two numbers whose sum is 58 and difference is 28? See here. So what are those two numbers whose sum is 58? Means if you add the two numbers we get 58, and if you subtract that two numbers we get answer as 28. So here we have to found that two numbers. So first of all write what is given in the question. So given sum, what is the sum here? 58, difference, what is the difference given in this question? 28. Okay, we don't know the two numbers, that's why same as the previous one, let the numbers be x and y. We don't know that numbers, that's why I am taking these numbers x and y. So I am adding these two numbers x plus y. How much? If you add these two numbers, what is the solution? 58. Say this is the equation 1. And the difference between these two numbers, what is the difference? 28. Say this is equation 2. Okay. Now add these two equations. Simply add these two equations here. So x plus x equal to 2x. Plus y minus y, difference numbers same number, but same number, that's why these two numbers are cancelled. So 2x equal to 8 plus 8 16, and 1 is carry, 6 plus 2 8 86. So 2x is equal to 86 we have. Now solve this. 2x equal to 86 means x equal to 86 by 2, that's equal to 43. One number is 43, x equal to 43, then find the value of y. So substitute any of these two. Okay. So 43 plus y equal to 58. Y equal to 58 minus 43. And 8 minus 3, 5. 5 minus 4, 1. So what is the value of y? 15. Okay, see here children. So in this question sum and differences are given. The sum is 58 and the difference is 28. See here we have to find the two numbers. We don't know the two numbers, that's why I am taking these two numbers as x and y. So here x plus y equal to 58 and x minus y equal to 28. Then I am adding these two numbers now. Means these two equations I am adding. If I add these two equations, the solution is x plus x equal to 2x and y minus y. Here same numbers with different symbols, that's why I am cancelling each other. So equal to 58 plus 28, 86 I get. So 2x equal to 86 I have. Then I am solving this equation and I found x value. By using this x value I am finding y value also. Okay. Okay, see here children, I gave two problems as homework. So first problem is the sum of two consecutive odd numbers is 56. Find the numbers. So here the sum of two consecutive odd numbers means the odd numbers which are side by side are added. Then he get the answer as 56. So here we have to find the two numbers. So here I am giving a hint. So I am taking an odd number as x. I don't know the two numbers, that's why I am taking an odd number as x. So what is the difference between two consecutive odd numbers? If I take 5 and 7, these two numbers are odd numbers. The difference between two is 7 minus 5 equal to 2. If we take 9 minus 7 also 2. So the difference between any two consecutive odd numbers is 2. So that's why second consecutive number is x plus 2. So first number is this, second number is this. Add these two numbers and equal to 56. Then we get the x value and x plus 2 value. And for this question hint is given in the textbook. So I am writing this hint here. So hint is the consecutive multiples of 7 are the consecutive multiples of 7 are x, x plus 7 and x plus 14. X plus 7 and x plus 14. These are the three numbers. These are the three consecutive multiples of 7. So take these three numbers and add and equal to 777. Then we get the value of x here. So then find x value, x plus 7 value, x plus 14 value. Okay. Okay children. Thank you. See you in next class.